morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus 3rd chapter algebra. Exercise 3.1 first subdivision 2 sums already I have completed in my previous class. Now I will continue with the third sum. Solve the following system of linear equation in 3 variables. So in this x plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y plus z. So like this it is given, all the expressions are given equally, all are equal it is given. So whatever is necessary accordingly we will take that. So first I will take x plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. So this one if I simplify, first one is x plus 20 is equal to 3y plus, this 3y by 2 I will keep it as it is, this 10 I will bring it to that side is equal to, this 10 left hand side I am taking. So x plus 10 is equal to 3y by 2. So again further if I bring this 2 to that side, it will be when I cross multiply 2x plus 20 is equal to 3y. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. So I got an equation with x and y. I got an equation with x and y. Then next one is I will take the second and third equation. So in that 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y plus z. So 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y minus z. So in this I will bring this z to this side. So it will be 2z plus z is equal to 110 minus y minus 5. So this 5 I am bringing to the other side. So here it will be 3z. Then this y also I am bringing it to that side. So the other side plus y is equal to 105. So I got an equation with z and y. 3z plus y is equal to 105. 3z plus y is equal to 105. Then now I will take this y and z equation, that is this second one. This one and this one I will take. Okay. So it will be 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5. So 3y by 2 is equal to 2z plus 5 minus 10. So 3y by 2, I will bring this z this side. So minus 2z is equal to minus 5. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So 3y, I am simplifying this 2 in the denominator. 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. So 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. So this is the another equation I got with y and z. Okay, so now I will take the first one as the first equation, second equation and third equation. In the second and third equation only I am having z and y. So I will if I multiply this y with this equation with 3, second equation with 3 if I multiply, I can cancel y. So I am multiplying. So 3 3s are 9z plus 3y is equal to 105 into 3. So 350 is equal to 350. Then third equation I will write it as it is 3y plus 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. Okay. So now I will subtract these two equations. Okay. Subtraction means opposite sign. So plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. So 9 plus 4, 13 here. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is equal to 5 to 325 plus 325 I will get. So z is equal to 325 divided by 13. So 325 divided by 13 will be 13 2s are 26 balance will be 65. then 5 times it will be 65. So Z value is 25. So I got the Z value as 25. Now substituting this Z value in any one of the equation. So I will take third equation. 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. So z is 25. So 3y minus 4 into 25 is equal to minus 10. So 3y minus 100 is equal to minus 10. So 3y is equal to minus 10 plus 100. Minus 10, this minus 100 to that side plus 100. That is 90. 3y is equal to 90. Y is equal to 90 by 3. So y value is 30. Okay. So now I will substitute this y value in the first equation. First equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. So 2x minus 3 into 30 is equal to minus 20. So 2x minus 90 is equal to minus 20. 2x is equal to minus 20 plus 90. 2x is equal to 70. X is equal to 70 by 2. So x value is 35. So we are asked to find the value of x, y, z. So x is 35, y is 30 and z value is 25. Next one is second sum. Discuss the nature of the solutions of the following system of equation. If 2 or 3 lines intersect, there are 3 possibilities. One is all the 3 lines will be overlapping one over the other. So we will be getting infinite number of solution. Then if they are parallel to each other, there won't be any solution at all. And if they intersect each other at a common point, they will get unique solution. So these are the 3 conditions we will get when we are discussing about the nature of the roots. So now we will see what we are going to get in the given sums. Okay. So first one is x plus 2y minus z is equal to 6. Minus 3y minus 2y plus 5z is equal to minus 12. Then x minus 2z is equal to 3. So since we are having x and z here, we will try to make these two solutions. We will simplify these two solutions to make it as an equation with x and z. So y has to be cancelled. So if we take the equation, first equation, this one is second and this one is third equation. So if we take the first equation, if we see the y value here plus 2y, here in this equation minus 2y is there. So that we can cancel easily. So x plus 2y minus z is equal to 6 and the second equation is minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to minus 12. So directly we can cancel this plus 2y minus 2y. So we will get an equation with x and z. So here it will be minus 2x, here this one will be plus 4z is equal to minus 6. So we got an equation with x and z. This one also we will divide it by 2. In all the terms we are having 2 as a factor. So minus x plus 2z is equal to minus 3. So we got an equation like this. So we will take this as the fourth equation. Now we will simplify third equation and fourth equation. So third it is given as x minus 2z is equal to 3. Okay. Then fourth equation what we got is minus x plus 2z is equal to minus 3. So when we simplify these two equations, all the terms will get cancelled. Plus x minus x. Plus 2z minus 2z. Plus 3 minus 3. So both the sides we are getting 0 is equal to 0. So from this it is clear that the nature of the solution will be infinite. So we will get infinite number of solution when we solve these two equations. So we have to write it as infinite number of solution. infinite number of solutions we will get when we solve the given 3 equation. Okay. Second sum is we got an equation, 3 equations we got. So the first one is 2y plus z is equal to minus 3x plus 3. When we bring this 3 to that side, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3. We got an equation like this, first one. Then second one, we will keep it as it is. Minus x plus 3y minus z is equal to minus 4. So this is the second equation. Then third one is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to minus 1 by 2 is there. So we'll bring this 2 to that side. We'll simplify there. So 3 2's are 6, 2 2's are 4. Then 2z is equal to minus 1. So this is the third equation. Now we'll take first 2 equations. First 2 equations we'll take. In this plus z and minus z is there. So we will cancel that one. So first equation is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3. Second equation is minus x plus 3y minus z is equal to minus 4. So plus z minus z will get cancelled. So 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 1. So this is the fourth equation. Okay, now we will take the other set. This equation, that is second equation and third equation I will take, and I cancel this z. So for cancelling z, I have to multiply the second equation by 2, then only this z will get cancelled. So second equation into 2. So minus 2x plus 6y minus 2z is equal to minus 8. Then third equation is 6x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to minus 1. So when I simplify, plus 2z minus 2z will get cancelled. So here 4x plus 10y is equal to minus 9 I get. So this is the fifth equation. So now if I solve this if I want to solve this fourth and fifth equation, I have to multiply this fourth equation by 2 and I will check this. So fourth equation into 2. So it will be 4x plus 10y is equal to minus 2. Then fifth equation is 4x plus 10y is equal to minus 9. So if I subtract this, x and y values will get cancelled. I will get 0 here. Then the other side I will get 7. So 0 not equal to 7 I am getting. So 0 not equal to 7. In the previous sum we got 0 is equal to 0. So in this we got 0 not equal to 7. So this cannot be an equation. So this is a false statement, false equation. So it has no solution. Okay. So it is a false equation and it has no solution. In the previous sum, infinite number of solution we got. Why? Because 0 is equal to 0 we got. That is both LHS and RHS are equal values we got. In this, 0 not equal to 7. So it is a false equation and it has no solution. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.